welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another quick tip, a 2-minute writer tip about how to make stronger sentences. It's a really simple thing that anybody can do to bring your writing or even your speaking up to the next level by making mini impressions with every sentence that you write or speak. And here's the tip. End your sentence on the strongest word. That's it. It's really simple, but just listen to the difference. The strongest word is what you should end on, versus you should end on the strongest word. The second sentence makes a greater impression because it ends with the word word instead of the word on. On is a completely invisible word. There are tons of words that our eyes just pass right over or our ears don't really take in as we're listening or reading, and you want to make sure that your sentence doesn't end on one of those blur, invisible words. The key is to leave your audience with an impression, even a micro impression instead of white noise. Let me give you an example. A lot of words are invisible, so how can you tell which will stand out? I chose this example because you can see that sometimes it's adjectives, sometimes it's nouns, sometimes it's verbs. They can stand out. It's just those words that seem to have some content and stand out to the eye. So in this quotation by Charles Darwin, it is not the strongest or the most intelligent who will survive, but those who can best manage change. He ended with 3 stronger words. So there you have it. It's words with content that can best finish a sentence. It's a very simple tip, but trust me when I say, if you end every sentence with a strong word instead of an invisible word, you will make a much greater impression. Of course, there are always exceptions to this rule. If you want something to sound more drawn out, of course, there are times when that makes sense, but just try putting the strongest word at the end and see how your writing gets better as a result. Okay, hopefully this was helpful for you. If you like these 2-minute writer videos, give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on Monday.